Hi, my name is Martin Prast, Director of Business Development here at Spectralink. I'm here today to introduce you to our Spectralink 7502 handset. The Spectralink 7502 is a solution that we developed for SOHO and SMB markets. It's an affordable, entry-level mobility solution. It provides both high quality or even superior quality experience and also targeted messaging, because we're focusing on the verticals with this type of solution. The 7502 was developed as a plug-and-play device. That means it supports our centralized provisioning setups and functionalities. It also supports firmware updates over the air. And in addition to that, also superior voice quality that we also see from other platforms, and even targeted messaging, so we're able to provide both alerts and notifications to the employees. In addition to the features mentioned before about voice quality and targeted messaging, we also provide high security, both on the handset itself with logins, etc., but also in the interrupt towards the DECT infrastructure. For the 7502, we also offer, in addition to the voice functionalities, the targeted messaging, and high focus on security, we also provide a very robust design, a focus around battery life for a full daily use using lithium-ion batteries, which will even expand into shifts so that we can make sure and ensure that employees are always reachable. Let me just summarize around some of the key features with this solution. One is, of course, the very importantly integration that we have with all the leading UC platforms like Microsoft, Cisco, Avaya, Broadsoft, and so forth. In addition to that, of course, the targeted messaging that we mentioned before, which means that we can actually do alerting and notification out to the handset with up to 24 characters, both within handsets or between handsets, but also from a centralized point. We also offer a robust design, especially when you compare it to consumer models. We offer DECT security over the air for high security protocol support with this type of device as well. And lastly, when it comes to these type of devices, we also offer the possibility to both use a vibrate function and also to extend for more hands-free functionality that you have the possibility to use an external headset. And with all those functionalities, that totals up to a handset or a solution that offers reduction in both administration and cost. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to spectralink.com. Thank you.